Hey everyone, Micah here with EbikeSchool.com, and today I am excited to announce that I am giving away 5 free electric bicycles from Rad Power bikes to 5 people watching this video right now to try and make 2020 a little bit better of a year. Now, where did this come from and how's this giveaway going to work? Well, I started thinking about this a few weeks ago during Thanksgiving, where I was thinking about what am I thankful for this year, 2020, a year that's been really tough for a lot of people. And I realized that, as odd as it sounds, one of the things that I'm thankful for is that I work in the electric bicycle industry. And that's for a couple of reasons. For one, I've really felt that electric bicycles have been such a powerful tool for helping improve people's lives. Whether it's giving them an alternative form of transportation, whether it's getting people outside, back on a bike, back doing fitness, whether it's providing a new way to haul around cargo and passengers instead of having to rely on a car, whether it's just getting out at the end of a rough day and putting a smile on your face with a fun ride. I just feel like e-bikes are so powerful as a way to improve people's lives, and I've been really proud of the fact that I can be a part of helping people get on e-bikes. The second reason that I'm really thankful that I'm in this industry is simply that e-bikes, and I think a lot of people know this, weren't really affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. If anything, the e-bike industry only grew because so many people wanted to get outside and get on e-bikes after lockdowns. And so anybody who's worked in this industry has had pretty good job security, which is not something that a lot of people can say this year, unfortunately. I know there's a lot of hurt, a lot of pain going out there. These are hard economic times and a lot of people have been out of work. So I really am thankful that I personally haven't had to worry about that. And because of that, I've been thinking of ways that I can use my position in this industry to try and help people that are down on their luck this year. And that's why I decided I wanted to do this giveaway. So to do this, I decided to go approach Rad Power Bikes and see if they would give me 5 free e-bikes to give out to people. And I was a little bit worried what they'd say because, to be honest, they don't need this. They're the biggest e-bike company in the US. They're selling so many e-bikes that they can barely keep them in stock. What do they need to give little old Micah 5 free e-bikes for? But much to my surprise, they were super excited about this right from the beginning. They were gung-ho and they were like, yeah, we absolutely want to do this. And if anything, they said they'd actually been thinking of a way to do something like this already, but they weren't sure, the logistics, that sort of thing. And so this actually worked out perfectly because this allows them to keep doing what they do well, which is building electric bicycles. And then I can handle the logistics in this part of the giveaway. So it worked out great. And now I get to choose 5 e-bikes, any of the e-bikes that they offer in their line, to give to you guys. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find 5 people that could really use an e-bike to help improve their life this year and match them to the appropriate e-bike from Rad's lineup. They have a lot of different styles of bikes. If you're not familiar, there's basically 4 categories. There's the standard, city urban bikes. There are their cargo utility bikes. There are folding e-bikes, and there are their fat tire, just pure recreation e-bikes. So my goal here is to match those to the right person to really help them find an e-bike that's going to improve their situation. Just to give a quick overview so you know what you're looking at here, in terms of the city urban bikes, there's 2 styles. There's the Rad Mission, which I actually have back here behind me. This is a single-speed e-bike. And then there's the Rad City, which is similar, but it's a 7-speed, and it's a little more powerful and has a little bit larger of a battery. On the cargo utility side, we've got the Rad Runner and the Rad Wagon. The Rad Runner is a bit smaller, a little more compact. It's still got that bench seat on the back though, so good for passengers or for carrying cargo. And then there's the Rad Wagon, which is the larger, traditional long-tail cargo e-bike. It's got an even longer bench on the back, can carry more passengers, more cargo, just a bigger, more serious cargo bike. On the folding bikes, there's the Rad Mini and the Rad Mini Step-Through. Both of these have fat tires, so they're good for riding over various terrain. You can take them to the beach like here. You can ride the trails across the park, but they're smaller diameter wheels, 20 inches, and the bikes fold up, so you can stick them in a trunk or store them more easily. And then lastly, there's Rad's just pure full-size fat tire recreation bikes. This is the Rad Rover and the Rad Rover Step-Through. Both of these are just awesome e-bikes to go have some fun on. You can certainly use them for riding the city and urban transport, but they're really great at tackling trails and off-road and beach type riding. All right, so those are the bikes. How's this gonna work? How am I gonna get you these bikes? I've set up an entry form that you can find at EbikeSchool.com/2020 giveaway. And anybody who feels like they've had a rough go of it this year and an e-bike could really improve your situation, head over there, fill out the form, and let me know what's going on. Tell me your story, what's happened this year, how is an e-bike really going to improve your situation? I'm going to go through all of those entries and I'm going to find 5 people that I think their life could really be impacted positively by an electric bicycle, and I'm going to choose the exact right electric bicycle out of Rad's lineup to fit your needs. There's also a spot in the form to add any additional files if you want to upload. You can share with me pictures, video clips, audio files, anything that's just going to help me understand your story better. Now, I do have to put a few limitations here, mostly just geographical. I do need to limit it to the 48 contiguous United States, so sorry Alaska, Hawaii, sorry Europe. It's just a matter of shipping logistics, which can be tricky with electric bicycles because of the lithium batteries. In the future, I plan to do more giveaways like I've done in the past, and I'm going to try to partner with some European companies and also be able to include more people. The other thing is that this isn't just a sort of random giveaway. I've done those before, I'll do those more in the future, they're definitely fun, but this is not just drawing names out of a hat. The goal of this giveaway is really to find people that are deserving, that could really have their lives improved by an e-bike and can't just go out and buy themselves an e-bike. So if you think that describes you at least a little bit, then I urge you to go fill out the entry form and hopefully you will win a free e-bike. But this isn't just a, hey, I'd like a bike and it's cheaper to get it this way than buying one. So I hope you guys can understand that this is kind of a special giveaway in that way. And finally, I just want to give a huge thank you to Rad Power bikes. I obviously could not have done this without them. Like I said, they didn't need to do this, but they really wanted to join me in doing something really helpful for people and try to give the gift of an electric bicycle at the end of this rough year, because I really believe that's what this is. It's not just getting something for free. It's really enabling people with the gift of what an e-bike can do for them. So big thanks to Rad Power bikes. All right, last but not least, before I go, I'm going to do the giveaway that I do at the end of all of my videos, which is to give away a free copy of one of my books. And today's randomly selected commenter from my previous video is Rick. So congratulations, Rick. Just let me know which one of my books you'd like. You can choose from DIY Lithium Batteries, DIY Solar Power, the Ultimate Do-It-Yourself e-bike guide, or electric motorcycles. And anybody else who wants a chance to win one of my books for free, all you have to do is put a comment down below. You can say anything you'd like, and I'll send a book anywhere in the world if you're the randomly selected commenter. I've sent books all over the place, so no geographical limitations. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I will be back in 1 week to announce the winners. So if you think that this applies to you at all, head on over to EbikeSchool.com/2020 giveaway, and hopefully we can hook you up with a free Rad Power bike e-bike. See you next time, everyone.